that includes communication and approximately property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, boundaries of the hotel, and category and facilities also. This from booking location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests per their stay. Its review rating is 9.0, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Except major credit cards and reserved the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. For this property, along with various meal plans and payment policy.
If you are planning to buy it, you can also follow the link provided in the description. For the more details, follow the description.
If you are facing any problem, you can tell us by commenting. If you are new on this channel,